Hey, welcome to Get Dressed with me. On this episode, the Beaded collection from Resort, Marc Jacobs. Loving these beaded pieces. This is a boyfriend dream with some great blue crystal beading along the pockets and the hem. Super cute with a vintage tee and the low Marc Jacobs sneaker. Have on some cute Marc Jacobs sunglasses here as well. Here it is with a classic turtleneck. This one's from Victor Mode / turtleneck and a new snapshot bag from their Resort collection. Some nice little ponytail hair slippers from Celine. Here are these cute boyfriend beaded jeans with a white shirt and black pumps from Celine. Love this, just a classic running around year-round moment. Love the beading, it adds a little bit of flair to a classic boyfriend. And then here it is with a new snapshot from the Resort collection and a Celine black blazer. Also love this beaded pink sweatshirt they did. Super cute here with a Celine pant and a Manolo nude pump. And then here it is with some redone Elsa flare jeans and their white low sneaker from Marc Jacobs. Here's the cute pink beaded sweatshirt with some yoga leggings and thigh-high boots. And then also another new snapshot from the Resort collection. Love those snapshot bags. And then here it is with my 1996 Realization Purse. Love this little cute sweater. It's a little cardigan with fringe on, yellow cashmere cardigan. Love it with those combat boots and slip dress. Also loving it with just some sweatpants and a white t-shirt. Looking pretty cute with some loafers. Love this very kind of Audrey Hepburn vibe. Snapshot bag also from the new collection. Very versatile little piece. Love this also over a little black dress from Celine and my Manolo sandals from Saks. Also love it with layered under a blazer, just adds an extra layer of warmth. And then there is a cute little snapshot also from Resort. Here is the very cute sequined sweatshirt with Comme des Garçons sweatpants and little low top Marc Jacobs white sneakers. Very freaking cute. Also with my black Levi's skinnies, some combat boots. This gray over-the-top sequin sweatshirt looks great, and the boy's moto, and a little snapshot. Then we have this very cute beaded dress. I love this very comfy dress. Love it layered over a black skinny like you just saw. Also for fall winter, love it layered with a thigh-high boot, nice and warm. I'm also wearing the white hybrid watch that I'm obsessed with from Marc Jacobs. It's a smartwatch. And then again, that super cute snapshot bag I love. See you guys in the next episode. Check you later.